They are carrying over 30 liters of liquor, and Beth won't allow it on board.
Bit more than
We can't
the
take
limit.
more than 5 liters, and it has to be packed in a styrofoam box in order for us to take it.
But I was apologizing. That's not going to help you. I need to get on the plane.
You have to make some kind of reservation or whatever you have to do for us to take this.
You can't take this much liquor on board with you.
Guys, I can understand the frustration if you feel you're misinformed by the airport. However, when we travel, the things we bring, all that is our responsibility. The airline is not their responsibility to make arrangements for you. You have to check this stuff before you go, because that's the only way the system could work. Otherwise, nobody would be going anywhere. We'd all be waiting for things to get fixed for every individual.
A torch lighter. Since 9/11, this type of lighter is not permitted on flights.
Yeah,
He wants Southwest to hold it until
usually
his return.
flammable stuff
Let me ask
or any
you
sort of
something. Don't
weapons.
just sell everybody's lighter and
not
everybody's
allowed.
pocket knife. You got them up there by the ton, and then you have a big auction at the end.
That's TSA.
That's what I'm saying. So somebody's making money on
I don't know
it.
that they sell those items. I don't
Yeah,
know what
they do.
They
sell them.
confiscate them. I know
That's
that
right.
much.
And then they
I don't
sell
know
them by
what
the
they do.
pound or whatever. And so
So guys, what do you think? According to this guy, all the dangerous items, they sell them at an auction for profit. What do you guys think? I'll cover more on that in another video.
Mysterious bottle in the bag of a man heading south of the border.
Here, a gentleman has a bottle of stuff. It's not marked. I believe it might be like moonshine or something. So
like a tequila.
it's like a tequila. Yes. Did you make it?
¿Lo hizo usted?
No.
No. Okay. You can't ship this. You can't ship this like this.
Yeah, so if you have an alcohol that's homemade and unlabeled, you can't bring that even if it is within the size standards. And of course, you can't have dangerous objects such as weapons, pressurized gases, flammables. And what do we got here? Raw chicken.
If we ship meat, it's got to be frozen solid in a cooler that'll
I never
leak.
even tried to look into
But she's
this,
only allowed to take frozen chickens in dry ice.
but apparently you can bring frozen chickens in dry ice if you want to check them in your baggage. I learned something new. I didn't know you could do that at all. If you guys want to save yourself some trouble at the airport, check out this QR code if you're watching from a laptop or whatnot. And also in the description, I'm going to leave a link that explains all the things that you can generally take onto an aircraft. Of course, check with whichever airline you're going to fly as you take your vacations, and this will prevent all these types of headaches. For more tips on travel and even for information on travel deals, follow me.